This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Wow, I can already see my house. Miss Bat, stop here, please. Hey, Bat, you've got it all mixed up. I was supposed to be in the black house. Oh, I think I'm in the wrong place. It's so dark. I feel so gloomy and awful here. It's awful. Ugh, it's like a unicorn threw up in here. Hold on, I think I know who can help. Really? Who?
The water is warm and fuzzy, just the way I like it. Hello?
Sam, we need your help immediately. We've been mixed up.
Don't panic. I'll solve this problem faster than all these bubbles burst. Shiver me cheddars. How did this happen? Who's messed up everything up so bad?
It's all bad the taxi driver's fault. She drove us to the wrong places.
Girls, go to the B&B for now. And by the time you are back, it all will be fixed.
Oh, thanks, Sammy.
Delivery store? Hi, I need materials to build a Gothic-style house. Handstacked.
Sammy, what are you talking about? Where are all these bats coming from? Shoo, shoo!
Would you just look at how many there are? I gotta catch them all. Hey, that's not fair. I'm the hunter, not the hunted.
Okay, Hero Hunter, come out. The danger is over.
Thank you for saving me, Sue. I couldn't have done it without you.
Look what these bats left for us. They are models of the houses. And I know exactly what we need to do with them. We have two girls who are upset. They are so different. And their houses won't look alike either.
Everyone, attention! Be careful! Heavy equipment on site!
Sam, where did you get all this? So many building materials and decor. And everything is so stylish. This one, for example, I would call terrifyingly cute. Classic Gothic.
Dark Express is the best store for Gothic lovers. Oh, what do we have here? Wow, it's a magic wand. Come to Papa. I wonder what it can do. Maybe with it I can breathe new life into our houses? Let's start with the pink one. Housies, alivies. Well, the good news is the magic wand works. The bad news is I need to find the right spell. Waza!
Wow, Sammy, that's one magical entrance.
I wasn't the chief designer of the Tibidaba Royals for nothing.
You're such an imaginative slime. Oh, wow, that's a lot of decor. We'll get to it now. I can already imagine how delighted our Pinky will be.
Wow! I'll go check out the black house. Maybe there's some kind of a surprise in there too. Okay, let's go inside. Spiders! Help! Gotta go.
Come here, sweetie. Sammy, calm down. Look how friendly they are.
Okay, where was it? Oh, this will do for hunger. This is for dust. Aha! That's what I need. Now I'll catch all these little spiders in no time. Spiders! Hey, kitty kitty! Oh, where did this come from? Sue, did you do this?
Nope, these cute little creatures did.
Seriously? Well then, I don't need this anymore. So the next step is... Achoo! Ugh, oh, what a sneeze! Did I do that? So much for a magical sneeze, huh?
Such a wizard. Maybe you could help me?
Sure!
The beauty zone for Pinky is ready. But what about Blackie?
Hey, clever little spiders! Yoo-hoo! We need your help here. Hello? You scared me! Oh, sorry, Sammy. Of course I'll help. Just a sec. Wow, this is awesome! Thank you, Spider. You're incredibly kind today. Sue, it's your cue.
Already on it. Oh, all these items are so dark and scary, but at the same time, so cute. Just what we need. So, what are we going to do with these little rooms?
I was thinking, maybe we'll make a spa or something.
Hey, careful!
Just a couple of crumbs. No biggie. I'm making such a fuss. Rat! Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I love tasty crumbs.
That's why you should eat in the kitchen, not in the room, Sammy.
Yeah. Sue, our friends' houses don't have kitchens, like, at all. This is outrageous.
You are right. That's what we should make here. Kitchens.
All those renovations. No easy task, you know. Let's move the refrigerator a little. Yeah, that's better. The microwave, check. The lighting, check. And here's a nice shelf. I think it's pretty good.
You are right, Sammy. I really like how it turned out, too. Uh-oh, not good. We can't leave the fridge empty.
Oh, I love grocery shopping. All kinds of juices, buns, candy. Yum! Treats aisle 5. Hi, Ken.
Ah, a regular customer. Comes in 3 times a day.
Well, that's it. Mission accomplished.
Well done, Sammy. You bought everything on the list and nothing extra.
Thanks, Sue. Hey, what's that? Some kind of a tail or something? I wonder who I'll find at the end of this long, long tail. Oh? A living mummy? Ah!
What? A living mommy? Where?
Giraffe? You really scared me. Hey, can I borrow that thing over there?
But it's part of my look.
Oh, come on. I'll give you this really cool bandage for it.
Really? Okay, sounds tempting.
Hooray! What luck! Sue, look at this thing I traded Giraffe for. Cool, right?
Wow, it would make the perfect closet.
That's what I thought.
I'm sure Blackie would love it too.
It's still a bit empty, Sue. I think I know someone who can help with that. Be right back.
Where to?
Who are you? Help!
Sue, what's wrong? That's Giraffe. Trying out a new look after image training.
Sammy, you should have warned me, you know. The sofa looks great, but the empty wall ruins it all.
It's missing the Blackie's family portrait. I have it here.
Sammy, this portrait is simply amazing.
Well, of course. A team of professional artists made it after all.
Now let's deal with this room.
Hello? Yes, of course. You can come back now.
Wait, Sammy, the room isn't ready yet.
What? Come back, but take the long route, okay?
We really need something here.
Sue, come on, hurry up. They're already on their way. Less talking, more working.
Hey, Sammy, check this out.
What's that?
I tried my best.
I can see that. It turned out absolutely magical.
Wow, Sue, our little houses are so cool. I'd love to live in one myself. Oh, it's them. They're here.
Wow, guys, how did you manage to do it so quickly? It's so beautiful. Let's go inside. Oh, I'll sleep like never before in this gloomy bed.
Have wonderful nightmares, darling.
Oh, I love my little bed.
It's the softest and coziest bed in the world.
Sweet dreams, doggy.
Now it's time to get ready for the party. There's a lot of stuff here. I love it.
Maybe we can go get something to eat already.
You always want to eat, Dad.
Wow, there's so much makeup. And my favorite perfume is here too.
The doggy loves it too, Mommy.
I think this will be my favorite room in the whole house.
We've never had such a beautiful kitchen. And so much delicious food in here.
Now we have a living room. Sam, Sue, I'm inviting you over for tea. Hold on. We wanted to invite Sam and Sue over for coffee.
Hooray, we did it! The girls loved it. Our crafting duo is amazing as always.
That's no surprise. Together we can do anything.
Friends, like and subscribe. And thanks for joining us today. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Galaxy is cotton wool dipped in food dye or watered down paint. It's mixed with glitter and finished off with star stickers. You will need cotton wool, food dye, a jar, glitter and some stickers. First, mix some food dye with water in jugs. Now pour some of the liquid into the jar. I'm starting with pink. Add some cotton wool balls until the liquid is covered. Let's sprinkle in some glitter now. Now let's try a different colour. And keep going until you've filled up the jar. Put the lid on the jar and then decorate it with some sticky stars. It's a glittery galaxy. Paint the 2 spoons and leave them to dry. Once dry, cross them over and glue them together like this. Then, carefully stick them to the back of a paper cup. Draw a black circle onto each ping pong ball to make the eyes like this. Take a red strip of card and curl it around a pen like this to make a tongue. Finally, glue your eyes to the spoons, use a pen to draw a mouth and stick on your curly tongue. Now your pen pot is ready to use. Fantastic! With just 2 triangles of sponge and foam slices, you can make a super sandwich. First, paint the edges of a yellow sponge brown and let it dry. Then, cut it in half like this. Be careful, scissors are sharp. Cut a wiggly, wavy line in a green fun foam strip to make lettuce. And then stick on all the fun foam shapes to one side of the sponge. That's the lettuce, some cheese, and a slice of tomato. And stick it on top. Tasty! It almost looks good enough to eat. First, take a small cardboard box and paint it any colour you like. When it's dry, you can add the different camera parts. How about a sticker for the flash, a bottle top for the lens, and a piece of ribbon for the strap. Add the bead on top for the button. And smile! Oh look, it's the shapes! Picture perfect!